Alright guys, it's Wednesday and I'm freezing my ass off. It is cold in here. Not sure why the temperatures drop so much, but this is bull crap. We got 90% of this all done. We're just waiting on the one part. I'm not sure if you can see it right there. We got a new one coming. It should be here today from FedEx. But she's all straight. She's got good gaps. We did find out a few things about what goes where and spaces. There was an exact 69 roadrunner over at the car show we did this weekend. So we are ready to go. That piece is all made and put in, so the trunk is good. The only thing I've got to do is hang the gas tank. Pretty much when we come in here and get ready, or after we paint it actually, or before we paint it, I'm going to put the mounts on, and then we'll hang the gas tank after she's all painted. I've still got to do the carburetor, put it back together and get it back in. The Thunderbird, the red one. And we've got 99% of the wiring problem figured out on the Cuda. We got one or two little more things to do. And then if we can get that damn windshield, because it's 3 places. Oh yeah, we can get it, we can get it. We pay him for it. And then they tell me it's on back order for a couple of months. So I got one other shot I'm doing later on. Well, you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you'll be a lot warmer than I am. I don't know what we're going to do. We can't paint this right now. It's too cold, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Like and subscribe, guys.